Welcome everyone, here's how you activate eSIM in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the first step is I want you to open up the Settings app. From here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see Connections. It should be near the top. Then you're going to see SIM Card Manager, tap on this one. You're then going to see Add Mobile Plan, add an eSIM mobile plan, tap on this one. You're then going to see Scan Carrier QR Code. And if you see no plans found, what this means is the current SIM card you have inserted does not support eSIM. So let's tap on Scan Carrier QR Code. And so from here, you need your QR code for your eSIM. If you're a little bit confused, let me explain. eSIMs either come with this cardboard with the QR code in, which you just place in the frame of the camera, or you will get an email with the QR code. So you would have to place your phone, with a laptop screen in the background with that QR code. You scan it and you're good to go. If you were given activation codes, you can just tap on this and enter in the activation code like so. And then if you don't have the QR code scan, you'll be good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.